Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I am 18 and these are my group mates, and our task is to record an interview a company with a company that have uh, how to say it? There are a few scopes there such as plastic manufacturing, metal joining. So we need to interview and ask questions about the processes, the safety measures, and what are the challenges that we had that you guys had at the factory. Yeah.
Okay.
Nabil will ask the first question.
Okay.
Okay, so Clifford
Yes.
Mr. Clifford
I don't need Mr. lah.
Okay, so the first question is actually is can you briefly introduce yourself and your role in the company?
Okay. My name is Clifford. So I work at UWC Berhad. I'm not sure whether you guys heard it before. UWC Berhad as an NPI engineer. New product introductions. Yeah, I think seldom people know about this title lah. Yeah, so basically at this role, we mostly focus basically it's like project engineers lah. But we only look into those new products. Like if customers has new design or something that is new to us, then we MPI engineers will take it up lah. So we call it the first article project. First article. Then when you receive the order from customer, we'll review their drawings, whether we're able to do it or not. Then after that, we'll work with every department, marketing department, productions, other process engineers, QA to come up with the process for this project with Gantt chart, with that all. And then after all the process is done through inside the productions, then we'll have a postmortem. A postmortem which see through all the process, anything that can be improved or anything parameters is wrong, then we'll correct it from there lah. After that, customer qualify our first article, then we'll go into mass productions. And that's onward, then it's mostly process engineers work already. Yeah, that's all what MPI do lah.
Oh, okay. So what are the main manufacturing activities carried out by the company?
Manufacturing activities, okay. Mainly for this company is machinings, CNC machinings, and also metal sheet bending and welding. This is the three main main process that they are doing. Also, they got sub, like for example, seal screen process, painting process, assembly, and also just last year or last 2 years, they started to have plastic fabrications, plastic welding and plastic bending. I actually mostly focus on plastic tube bending. I'm the pioneer of this project, which the company has totally didn't touch this plastic tube bending before. So I am the pioneer for this project. Yeah.
If I may continue the question from here.
Yeah.
Hello. And for the next question, I want to ask is, what types of metal machining processes are used in your company?
Mostly is CNC milling, and also CNC turning. And of course, CNC millings, we do have multiple axes as well. And also we did involve with robotic as well to fabricate our machining parts. Yeah.
Okay. Can you explain the general step involved in a typical metal machining process from raw material to finished part?
Okay. So okay, start from raw material. We'll purchase the raw material, and then we'll let the process engineer know how big let the process engineer see the drawings, the material size, and then the process engineer will come up with a program for the CNCs lah. Okay, then afterwards, we'll take the material to the productions, and the process engineer will key in all the programs and let the operators to let them know how to set up the machines as well lah. Okay, then we'll start with the fabricates. Well, see whether we need some turning or milling or other process as well. Some of the machining process do need seal screen on it, do need painting on it as well, and also most of the machining, after machining there will be a buffing or polishing process. Then mostly also we'll go for finishings like chrome plating, zinc plating, yeah, that's all. Then after that we'll come back to our factory, and then we'll undergo QA checking, then packing. Yeah, that's brief of the process lah.
Usually, what types of metal are usually machined, and why are these materials selected?
Wow, this is a good question. Mainly, for the project that I've taken up before, I've taken up mostly aluminium and stainless steel. Yeah, there will be other material as well, but for my side, my personal project is mostly on aluminium and also stainless steel. Just now, sorry, the question is?
Why are these materials selected?
Oh, okay. So aluminium, of course, well, is lightweight, and also is, I would say, one of the most easiest to fabricate, but it's quite sometimes quite difficult as well, because aluminium is quite, how to say, and considered as fragile or not. Easy to warp when fabricating. Yeah, if you're fabricating a big hole or that, then the most challenging for aluminum is the warping. Okay, and also stainless steel, well, corrosions lah. Maybe mostly due to this lah. Okay, so this is two main. I would say my project. Others project I didn't take up yet. For this, mostly it's aluminium and also the stainless steel.
Okay. So the next question is about plastic manufacturing and plastic welding. Since you already said that this is your major,
I would say yes, plastic, but my plastic is bending, but I did have some knowledge in plastic welding as well. It's okay.
So the questions, first, what are plastic manufacturing process used in your company?
Yeah, like I mentioned, plastic welding, plastic bending, and also plastic machining. Yeah.
So secondly, can you explain how plastic welding is carried out and what is the main purpose of plastic welding?
Oh, main purpose. Okay. So actually you just imagine it's like solder, soldering. Yeah. They do have like a filament, some kind of filament. The most material that we are using for our plastic welding is PP material. PP, MPP, mostly PP lah. Then the filament, there's a, how to say, it's more or less like a soldering, but the solder is attached to the above of the, how to say, the welding gun, like something like that lah. Then you push it down, then weld together. Okay, so of course, just now the question is why we are using plastic, right? The plastic. Plastic, I would say, can categorize in the cleanliness. Most of our customer for plastic parts, they will be using in fabricating in clean room or control room. So plastic is, I would say, mostly focused on those chemical parts with chemical resistance and also how to say, impurities, the impurities. Yeah. So mostly few of this lah.
So as you said, you commonly use PP plastic, right? So why does you use PP plastic instead of other plastic materials? What are the properties that make them suitable for welding?
This actually our company is actually just follow our customers' requirements. So I would say it's not our side to decide what material to use, to be honest, but this is what customer requirements. So we are up to date. We are still using PP, and for my side, tube bending is PFA.
Thank you.
Okay. Any?
Okay.
So for the next section.
Alright. So I want to ask about quality control and safety. So the first question is, how does the company ensure product quality for both metal, plastic and components?
Okay, for QA side. Okay. In every sections, we have quality check. For example, material come in, we have incoming inspection. Check whether the materials is in our requirements. The flatness and something like that lah. Mostly flatness. If raw material, we check that one. Then after that, we'll go through, for example, machining process. We'll take out and machining process. Every process, like, because machining won't have one process then deal with all, right? So every process we'll check. After check, when changing the position, we'll check. Then the full product will go to final QA. Final QA, if there will be any other process as well included, like for example seal screen or anything, we'll go to the seal screen QA. So every process we do have a QA. Okay. Yeah. So that's how we control and also calibrations of our equipments. So this very important for QA as well. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, answer your question.
Yes. So the next question.
So the next question is, what safety measures are implemented to protect workers during machining and plastic welding?
Proper machining, for machining and plastic welding.
Yes.
Of course, you wear the goggles, and of course, especially for machining, no glove allowed. No glove allowed. Okay, and proper machining guarding.
Excuse me, can I ask why?
For the glove.
Yes.
Okay. So if you are setting up the machine, if suddenly something malfunctions or anything, it twists, then your glove will be twisted. Yeah. So it's very dangerous while using glove during machining. Okay. So just now what question? Plastic welding and machining, right?
Yes.
Okay. So for plastic welding, it's allowable for glove, and it's very important. Well, it's related to hot temperature. So glove is very important, and also our goggles. And for this is safety wise, mostly I would say like this lah.
Okay.
Okay.
So Nabil will continue.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next question is Clifford, Mr. Clifford. What are the main environmental impacts of metal machining and plastic processing in your company?
Main impact.
Yes. Main environmental impacts.
Oh, okay. Uh, okay. For this, I would say metal scrap, and also plastic waste. Yeah, and also some CNCs need coolant, right?
Mm.
So it's involved in chemicals a bit lah. And also, I would say noise pollution.
There's pollution.
Our machinings did quite noisy as well. So about the safety stuff, they will have plug in as well.
Yes, earplug.
Yeah, earplug. Yes. I forget to mention that. Yeah.
So count as safety
Yes.
precautions, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
I want to ask one question about the environmental impact. So, as you said, when you do plastic welding, you melt the two plastic together, right?
Yeah.
Does that create fumes, like in a large amount of fumes, since you are working in a factory?
For plastic welding, not that much, but we do have the film extractor, as well. That is also one of the safety. Yes. Okay.
Okay, so the next question is, what actions are taken by the company to reduce this environmental impact?
Recycle, I would say recycle, and also proper waste segregations lah. Proper waste segregations, and also we try to reuse back. Like for example, our metal machining, if that is left over or our plastic, we'll take it up, then fabricate into jigs and fixtures. Yeah, so we use our materials and also cost saving. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So for this, I'm not quite into it, so that's what I can give you lah.
It's okay. Okay, so does the company follow any environmental or safety standards related to manufacturing operations?
Yes. ISO 9001.
ISO
For
9001.
For quality management, and also ISO 14001.
4001.
That's for environmental management.
Okay, thank you, Clifford.
Okay.
So I think Ivan, we continue the final section here.
Okay. What skill or knowledge are important for students who want to work in metal machining or plastic manufacturing industries?
Understanding the process of manufacturing, machinings, and of course, the most important I would say is know how to review, how to see the drawings, the CAD drawings, the 2D drawings. This I would say this is the engineer's fundamental. The most primary things that you need to know, the basic CAD drawings, that all. Okay, and also material selections knowledge. Materials, yeah. For this also very important, and this you need to go into the how to say companies. Then you only need to study their qualities, how their qualities. This is my own opinion. Every company have their own quality standard. Okay, and also teamwork, problem solving skill, leadership. Especially in future wise, you guys will be working as project engineers or like NPI engineers, leaderships and teamwork is a must. Is a must. Like for us, we are arranging all the departments together, setting up meetings and all. So network lah. Network is also very important. Okay. So I did answer your question.
Yes. Okay. What advice would you give to mechanical engineering student preparing to enter manufacturing field?
I would say build a strong fundamentals in manufacturing process. Okay, like just now, and also try to, if you're intern, or try to gain hands-on knowledge. Through hand, I would say, I'm not sure whether your uni got that hands-on, right? Hands-on at all. I would say hands-on is the fastest way to gain your, how to say, your knowledge, your confidence. Sometimes we just read books. That's just theory. You need to put into work. Yeah. Okay. And also problem solving for engineers is a very important skill. So that's what I would advise for engineers. Okay.
So I think that wraps up our interview session today.
Okay. Great.
So I would like to thank you for having us as your interviewer for your company. So
Okay.
I will look forward to maybe arranging next meeting with you.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Thank you. You guys are mechanical engineers, studying mechanical engineers.
Yes. We are diploma
Same
students.
as me. Okay. Good luck.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your
So
cooperation.
thank you, Clifford,
Okay, thank you.
and sorry for any inconvenience.
It's not. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.